Welcome to Delaware Museum of Nature and Science. Here we step into a beautifully decorated ocean view where fish, coral and other marine species surrounding us in a stunning display. Wherever you look, detailed artwork brings the ocean to life. And just beside each scene, a screen appears showing real images of each species along with fascinating facts. Just like the one I am showing here, as we see here, the screen says please touch. When you do, you can actually feel what is it like. Whether it's a bone, skin or a shell. Right here, for example, you can touch and feel the texture of whale skin, just like in real life. When you move this magnifying glass in a circular motion, it reveals the life cycle of one of the species, showing each stage up close in a fun and interactive way. Take the plunge into the ocean kayak expedition, a mini theater experience that simulates the ocean depths. You will see changing lights to reflect daytime and nighttime in the deep sea, along with fascinating species that live and thrive in each ocean zone. And right above us, there are massive skeletons on display, and it's truly breathtaking. I haven't even covered most of the other amazing exhibits yet. There are so much to explore here. And this is outdoor themed African savanna exhibit is beautifully decorated to reflect real life scenario. Everywhere you look, it feels like you are actually there. Interactive screens are placed throughout, help you learn more about each animals and habitat. And here we have the Arctic tundra with a majestic polar bear and a sea lion on the display. Right next to it, we step into the tropical rainforest. Wow, this looks absolutely fascinating. It feels just like being inside a real rainforest. And there are even realistic sounds and movements. Interactive screens are placed throughout, sharing details about each species in this beautifully crafted environment. And now let's get into the Paleozone. Here we will explore both terrestrial and marine life from ancient times. Check out the dinosaur skeleton on the display, some even towering above us. It's like stepping back into the age of dinosaurs. This image illustrates the impact of climatic change. Unfortunately, most of us what we see here are beautifully crafted and decorated. So far I have only spotted 3 live species, that's turtle, snake and a spider. Here we are also having fascinating displays like ammonoids, helicaprions, spirals and more. Next up, the simulated dinosaurs surrounded by natural settings. Each one comes alive, own unique movement and sound. And overall, this place is fascinating for children, offering plenty of opportunities to explore and learn. There are also fun events, so be sure to check their website for the latest updates with play area for kids. And I would recommend setting aside about 3 hours to explore everything in detail. Finally, I spotted colorful small Rubik's or marbles in a glass jars along with a variety of rocks on display in the souvenir shop. I'm gonna mention the ticket prices and don't forget to check the description below for location and more detail. Thank you.